皆さんこんにちは、みほこです。Hello everyone, it's みほこ。When you do some exercises, like lifting something or stretching while counting, I recommend you to count in Japanese because it's good to memorize how to count in Japanese very easily. So, let's get started. 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 or you can say 4 as 4 5 5 5 6 6 6 7 7 7 or you can say 7 as 7 8 8 8 9 9 9 10 10 10 and then 100 100 100 1000 1000 or 1000 1000 1万 10,000 1万 Well, obviously, we don't really count until 10,000 while doing exercises, but just in case. Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video! Bye! またね